Hey guys, we are showing this COULDWILL Convertible Sleeper Sofa Bed. So it's a 3-in-1 pull-out couch love seat with a linen modern futon sofa with the pillows, wheels, sides pocket, and can be used in a living room, bedroom, apartment, small space. So it's a gray in color. So this is the whole unboxing stuff. These are the instructions how you can install this or assemble this. Assembly is pretty straightforward. All these tools and screws are provided. So just join this on the side. So once this is installed, the sides and the back, these are the foam um, pad. So you can use this foam pad and then you can stretch this to make it a bed. You can also half stretch it to make it like big like a day bed, something to sit. But the foam pads are really nice. This two pillow design comes with this sofa and looks and matches really nice. So I'm almost like 5'10", so my legs while sitting is reaching here. So when is the sofa position, you can just put in all these pads back into the position on one, and then becomes a love seat sofa. So it's for the small space, and the sides have the pockets. So this fabric material, so you can see like this stuff, and it's comfortable as a form, and you can use this pocket to store in your stuff. And you can also have the nightstand on the side, so that's better suitable. So very nice 3-in-1 couch and sofa futon set.